Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This is Gagan, a student of Ivy Professional School. Before starting the video, let me thank Ishani ma'am and Yajat for giving me this opportunity and considering me for the Advanced Excel Internship Program. This project really helped me and I'm very delightful to be a part of this project, and it really helped me in grooming my advanced Excel skills, dashboarding skills and presentation skills. So let's get started with the video. I got this London house sales data set which was segregated in 2 years, 2014 and in 2015 as shown in the sheets. I got this data dictionary which shows a property type, a state type and a new build type. As the data was segregated in 3 different sheets, so it will be very difficult for me to prepare the dashboard for the same. So the first motto I have is to prepare the table which has the combination of all 3 sheets. Before showing you the dashboard, I have an idea that let's prepare the dashboard in a unique way so that the end user will like that dashboard. So I have used this tabular format, I have used this mobile format as well. In mobile, all the slices are showing. In a tablet, the dashboard is showing. Why I use tablet? Because sometimes most of the people like us are facing the issue that there is a less space, but we have many more charts to show. So how to do that? I have added the scroll bar for that. You see that when I'm clicking on my scroll bar, my data is changing accordingly. If I'm changing on my data set, my data is changing accordingly. If I use the slicers, my data is also changing accordingly. If I am using the quarter 1 sales, my data is changing accordingly. So this is the dashboard. This is not the inside. Now I'm showing you the presentation that what inside I got from this dashboard. So let's go to the presentation. As we have seen that we have got this $57,387 million of sale has been done in 2014. $55,615 million of sale has done in 2015. And these are the top 5 headings which I have prepared in my dashboard, as I have already showed to you guys. If we see the top 5 district sales, these are the top 5 district sales. These 5 districts done have a marvelous job in terms of sales. Total of $49,868 million of sale has been done in both the years from these 5 districts only. If I show you what are the bottom 5 district sales, these are my bottom 5 district sales. As we are not getting desired sale from these 5 districts, sales amounting $22 million has done in these 5 districts. If I show you what is the yearly wise property sales, so these are the yearly wise property sales. If we are focusing on property wise yearly sales, then flat gives the highest sales in both the years following with the terrace houses. This slide shows us that how many houses built and how many houses not built on monthly basis. I have added the dual axis for that. For June to August, sales were pretty high. Sales amounting $32,500 million of sales has been done in these 3 months. Let's see what are the quarterly sales bifurcation. All the quarters was very good in terms of sales, especially quarter 3 where we have done 28% of the total sales. So here my video is ended. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please click on a like button so that it will go to the better reach.